what's up? That's Logan. That's eating pie. Okay.
78. That's
Okay. Okay. And that's me, Steven Cora. Okay. Unexpected gamer. So yeah. So we're gonna do Q&A. Show us the first question.
I'm just gonna read these comments here. Tycoon Manic said, "Do a blog."
We already did it. We're doing a blog.
Do it.
Next.
It's a vlog.
Yeah.
Luigi House says, "Can I sub?" Maybe.
Technically, you're. Wait. Whoa.
What do you mean?
The thing is, you can sub. I don't know why you're asking me if I can. If I don't, I'm not saying. Just sub if you want to.
Subscribe, but if you mean by substitute, no.
Max Watt says, "Love Logan."
You mean love Logan? That's what you always wanted.
Yay!
Okay, you're next.
All I ever wanted
And
in life.
Luigi and Tycoon Madness again says, "What grade are you in school you go to?"
I go to 9th grade, aka Medical High School, Doja Libby, and you go to Dallas Ranch and Dallas Ranch. He's going 6 and going 7. Okay, next question.
Banana Joke asks, "Can we see your puppy?"
Sorry guys, my puppy's right now like at the bed or something like that.
Okay.
So I'll show you in another video, do a little vlog like this and show you my dog. But come on.
Okay. Fanboy says, "What is your dog's name?"
My dog's name is Luna.
Which means moon.
Sparta King says, "Did you get my picture?"
This is Sparta.
Wait, picture? Oh wait, come on. Yeah, I got your picture. I didn't know who it was, but please put your name next time. But it's actually kind of cool. I like it. Thanks. Who was it?
It's Logan approved.
It was Sparta King.
Thank you, Spartan King, for the.
Sparta.
It's actually cool. This is actually the first ever film mail I forgot. Thanks. Next.
You're going in the
Max
coffin.
Watt again says, "What grade is he?" Who's he?
He's. Wait, is that another comment?
Yeah. We already said this. 7th, 6th.
Yeah. Okay, we already said it. So.
Freshman.
Fan Gamer says, "Are you making a second channel?"
Like I said in the last video, I'm thinking I should be doing a second channel. Depends, but yeah, I'll probably there's gonna be a second channel coming soon.
And Tycoon Magnus says, "Love Dominic. How old are he?" Well,
He turned 11
11.
yesterday.
I'm 11.
Oh, it's his birthday, yeah.
Yesterday was my birthday.
Yeah, cool.
July 8th.
Okay, another question.
Also, you got love.
And that's all the comments
For that
for
video.
this
Wait, let me
video.
see.
So,
Let me see. Quick question. Wait. Okay, so the final Q&A is what it says.
Luigi Housegasting, does your friend have a channel?
Well,
Neither
Logan had a channel, but
I had one video and it sucked. I deleted it.
okay, you.
So I have been thinking about making a channel.
And Carter.
I'll get back to you guys on that.
Okay, so I'll do another video update for little Dominic. So you're gonna see if he has a channel. If not,
Come up
then-
with a name for me.
yeah, come up with a name for
Logan.
Logan.
Give him a
Also, give
nickname.
me love.
Okay.
Lots of love. Love.
And if you guys want to share this mail, sure, but please put your name on it. Well, bye guys.